Good morning, everyone, especially to our professor. Doc, good morning. I am Jonalyn Limosnero, and my topic to be discussed is all about school governance and accountability under the Chapter 9, School Leadership, Governance, and Policy Issues. Understanding the foundations of school governance and accountability. School governance encompasses the structures and processes that guide management, while accountability ensures responsibility for performance and outcomes. So, school governance, it refers to the structures, policies, and processes that guide how schools are managed, while accountability ensures that schools, leaders, and teachers are held responsible for delivering quality education and meeting agreed standards. So, together, they define who makes decisions in education and how those decisions are monitored and evaluated. So, school governance is about how authority and responsibility are distributed within the education system, while the accountability ensures that schools and educators are answerable for their performance and the outcomes of their students. So, in short, school governance sets the rules and authority for managing education, while accountability ensures those rules lead to quality outcomes. The importance of governance. So, strong governance and accountability are crucial for ensuring quality education. Research indicates that schools with effective governance practices achieve 20% higher student achievement rates. Effective leadership fosters a culture of responsibility, empowering educators and engaging parents. By establishing clear expectations and performance metrics, schools can create an environment where students thrive. Moreover, accountability ensures that all stakeholders are responsible for their contributions, fostering collaboration and trust within the educational community. So, school governance lies in the fact that it provides the foundation for how education systems function and how schools deliver quality learning. Without strong governance, schools can become disorganized, inequitable, or ineffective. So, why governance matters in school? Number one, clear direction and vision, and efficient use of resources. Number three, accountability and responsibility, and community involvement, equity, and inclusion. So in short, governance is important because it provides structure, fairness, and accountability, ensuring that the schools deliver quality education and remain responsive to the needs of learners and society. Okay, the importance of accountability. So, in school, accountability is crucial because it ensures that education systems deliver on their promises. It provides quality learning, using resources responsibly, and being answerable to students, parents, and society. Without accountability, governance structure risk becoming ineffective or disconnected from real outcomes. So, importance of accountability in education. Number one, improve student outcomes. Number two, ensures transparency. Number three, promotes responsible use of resources. And number four, encourages professionalism. Number five, strengthens community confidence. Number six, supports equity. Number seven, drives policy improvement. Okay, in short, accountability is important because it makes schools answerable for results, builds trust, and ensures education remains effective, fair, and transparent. Key stakeholders and governance. First, school board. Provides policy direction and oversight. So, school board is the governing body responsible for overseeing the management and direction of a school district or group of schools. It plays a central role in school governance by making decisions that affect policies, budgets, curriculum, and accountability. Next is school leaders. Okay, school leaders manage operations and foster educational culture. So, school leaders are the individuals responsible for guiding, managing, and inspiring schools to achieve their educational goals. They play a central role in both governance, decision-making, and policy implementation, and accountability, ensuring results and transparency. Okay, who are school leaders? Okay, there's principals, head teachers, then vice principals, assistant principals, department heads or coordinators, superintendents and division heads, and school governing council leaders. Roles and responsibilities of school leaders: instructional leadership, administrative management, accountability, community engagement. So in short, school leaders are the backbone of effective education systems. They manage, inspire, and ensure accountability while keeping schools aligned with community and national goals. Next is teachers. Inspire and guide students to achieve. Teachers are the frontline leaders of learning in schools. They are not only responsible for delivering lessons but also for shaping the values, skills, and future of their students. In the framework of school governance and accountability, teachers play a vital role because they directly influence student outcomes. Engaging parents and communities. In education is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen school governance and accountability. When families and local stakeholders are actively involved, schools become more responsive, transparent, and effective in meeting learners' needs. So first, advocacy. Parents advocate for their children's education needs. So, advocacy in education is all about speaking up, influencing, and taking action to improve schools, protect learners' rights, and support teachers. Second one, collaboration. Community collaboration strengthens school initiatives and support. It means working together, teachers, school leaders, parents, students, and communities to achieve shared goals for learning and school improvement. It is a cornerstone of effective governance and accountability because no single group can ensure quality education alone. This is support. Communities provide essential resources and encouragement. So support in education refers to the assistance, resources, and encouragement provided to students, teachers, school leaders, and communities to ensure effective learning and school success. It is a key element that strengthens both governance and accountability. Models of school governance explained. Okay, school governance models describe how authority, decision-making, and accountability are structured in education systems. The main models include centralized, decentralized, and shared governance model. So first, centralized model. In a centralized model, district-led control provides uniform policies and resources, ensuring consistency across schools but often limits local flexibility to adapt. So, centralized governance authority is concentrated at national or regional level. Example, Ministry of Department of Education. So, in features, uniform policies and curriculum across schools, limited autonomy for principals and teachers, and strong government oversight. Number 2, decentralized model. The decentralized model grants school-level autonomy, allowing schools to make decisions that best suit their community's needs while fostering innovation and responsiveness. And number 3, shared governance model. Shared governance promotes collaborative decision-making among stakeholders, balancing input from school boards, educators, and families, but can sometimes lead to slower decision processes.